Dental or synthetic resin. Packing the resin. Stages which occur once the resins are mixed. Damp or sandy stage. Sticky or stringy stage. Gel or dough stage. Rubbery stage and stiff stage. Damp or sandy stage. Mixture is cloudy and sandy. No reaction yet between monomer and polymer. Sticky or stringy stage. Monomer attacks the surface of polymer. The mixture becomes viscous and sticks to the stirring rod. Gel or dough stage. Mixture is easily molded into different forms and shapes, ideal for compression molding and no longer sticky. Rubbery stage. Mixture is rubber-like in character and no longer flows freely and cannot be molded anymore. Stiff stage. Mixture is dry and resistant to mechanical deformation. Packing the resin. Prepare the acrylic mixing jar and soak a piece of polyethylene sheet in water. Measure enough amounts of polymer and monomer following manufacturer instructions. Empty the measured monomer into the mixing jar. Add polymer in the sprinkling fashion. Make sure that the powder is completely wet with the monomer. A stirring rod may be used for this purpose, taking care not to stir as this may introduce air into the air mixture. Cover the mixing jar to prevent evaporation of the monomer. Constantly monitor the polymerization process. The resin is ready for packing during the dough stage. During the dough stage, wet your hand with water and knead the acrylic material. Form it into a ball and then roll it. Pack it in the mold space using your fingers. Get the polythene sheet and line it cover over the acrylic. This will enable you to do a trial closure. Close the flask with the lower half and apply a palm pressure. Put the assembled flask into a press. This could be accomplished by either of the following: bench press or pneumatic press. This is the diagram of the pneumatic press as well as the bench press. Release the pressure and gradually separate the lower and the upper halves during a dull knife. Lift away the polythene sheet and see to that the mold is totally filled with resin. The flash on the investment is cut away using a sharp knife. Trial closure technique. Reassemble the flask. Clamp this using a spring clamp and bench cure for about 30 minutes to allow excess monomer to evaporate. Repeat the procedure for other investment.